In a quiet corner of the Shenandoah Valley, one operation remained classified for years. This briefing highlights a previously classified popcorn popping method engineered for reliability, efficiency, and maximum endosperm expansion ratio, codename the Serendipity Protocol. At the heart of the protocol is the stainless steel Whirly Pop, chosen for its superior thermal conductivity and gear-driven agitation system. Half a cup of big and yellow kernels selected for optimal flake morphology. 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, prized for its high smoke point stability curve. When the heat rises and the pericarp integrity reaches its breaking point, hull rupture pressure climbs, and the operation enters its critical phase. In under 3 minutes, the system achieves full volumetric yield efficiency, producing 14 to 16 cups of crisp, clean popcorn. And the entire batch costs just 64 cents. Cheaper than most microwave bags at twice the output. Light, fluffy, operationally flawless. And when the mission ends, cleanup is simple. Wipe, rinse, dry, ready for redeployment. Now, let's walk through the protocols step by step so you can run this operation in your own kitchen. Now that you've seen the protocol in action, let's walk through the equipment that makes it work. This is the stainless steel Whirly Pop. It heats quickly and distributes heat evenly. The crank mechanism keeps the kernels moving so they pop fully without scorching. And the steam vents release moisture as it builds, which keeps the popcorn crisp. For kernels, we use Rural King Big and Yellow. They're consistent, affordable, and produce a light, fluffy flake. You can use your personal favorite popping corn. For oil, we use avocado oil. It has a clean flavor and a high smoke point, which keeps it stable at popping temperatures. That's really all you need. Half a cup of kernels and 2 tablespoons of oil. Start with medium heat. Add the oil, then the kernels, and close the lid. Begin turning the crank right away. You don't need to rush. Just keep the kernels moving so they heat evenly. You'll hear the first pops after a minute or so. Keep cranking steadily as the popping accelerates. When the pops slow to about 2 seconds apart, remove the popper from the heat. One of the biggest advantages of the Whirly Pop is the amount of popcorn it produces. A single microwave bag gives you 8 to 10 cups. A Whirly Pop batch gives you 14 to 16 cups, a full family bowl. Each Whirly Pop batch costs about 64 cents. Most microwave bags cost more than that, and they produce less. You are also avoiding the chemical-lined bags and artificial butter flavorings that come with microwave popcorn. With the Whirly Pop, you control the oil, the salt, and the flavor. It's simple, clean, and healthier. Cleanup is straightforward. Let the popper cool completely. Wipe out the inside with a paper towel. If you need to, then wash the pot with warm, soapy water. Avoid submerging the lid. Just wipe it with a damp cloth. Dry everything thoroughly, and it's ready for the next batch. The stainless steel Whirly Pop is fast, dependable, and easy to maintain. It makes more popcorn, costs less per batch, and gives you full control over the ingredients. It's the method we use here at the Serendipity Farmhouse Test Kitchen. and it's the one we recommend for anyone who wants consistent, delicious popcorn every time. End of briefing. Hi, Old Fuzzface here. I love popcorn.